In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an anchor on your Wix website. Anchors are incredibly useful tools for any web design, as they allow you to create smooth navigation on your pages. Whether you want to guide your visitors to different sections or make content easily accessible, anchors can enhance the user experience on your site significantly. First, let's head over to the Wix website editor. Once you're inside the editor, take a look at the left side of your screen where you'll see a menu of options. Here, you're going to click on Add Elements. This section is your toolbox for all the creative components Wix provides to enrich your site. Now, once you've opened the Add Elements menu, look towards the top of the screen and find the search bar. Go ahead and click on it. This search feature is handy for quickly locating specific tools, especially if you're new to the Wix editor and still getting familiar with its extensive offerings. Type in the word Anchor into the search bar and press Enter. You'll see an option labeled Anchors appear. Select it to open more detailed options. Exploring these choices allows you to tailor your site exactly to your liking without having to navigate through all available components. With the Anchors section open, explore the different options available to find an anchor that suits your needs. Take a moment to decide on an anchor style or placeholder that fits your website's design. Once you're ready, click on your chosen anchor option, and it will automatically insert into your page. After inserting the anchor onto your page, you'll find it added as a small symbol. Click on this anchor icon to proceed. You have the flexibility to place it anywhere on your page. It's best to position the anchor where you want your visitors to land when they click the link pointing to this location. This positioning is key to a smooth navigation experience. Finally, let's give your anchor a name. Click on the anchor and a small dialog box will appear. This box is where you'll type in your anchor's name. It's crucial to choose a clear and descriptive name, one that relates to the content it anchors to. This will help you remember what section of the site the anchor corresponds to and maintain clarity as you continue working on your website. And that's it! You've successfully added an anchor to your Wix website. By following these steps, you can create an intuitive navigation system that helps viewers smoothly explore your site's contents. Anchors not only streamline the user experience, but also lend your site a professional touch, allowing users to reach their intended destinations with ease and precision. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!